In a world where hiccups are a sign of hidden potential, one day, a sudden hiccup jolts a young artist. Why now? They wonder. Paintbrush midair. The hiccup, a mysterious messenger, whispers, change is near. Curious, the artist embraces the unexpected rhythm, painting with newfound vigor. Each hiccup fuels creativity, turning mistakes into masterpieces. Friends notice the transformation. What's your secret? They ask. Hiccups, the artist smiles, a reminder to breathe and embrace the unexpected. As the canvas fills with vibrant colors, the artist learns. Sometimes, disruptions lead to discovery. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.